Yeah, hello, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. Yeah, so please, if you haven't followed me or subscribed to my channel, please do justice to it. So before I start today's episode, first of all, let me open my boat. And I've opened my boat, and the boat gave me the coins. So you will see the coins at the left side, but I will not let the coins show. Yeah, I will not let the coins show. And you see the exchange where you can buy it and where you can sell it. Yeah. So I have opened the Bybit portfolio. I told you that the bot will give you more than 80 exchange platforms. So when you click on each exchange, it will give you where to buy and where to sell. That means to give you the arbitrage opportunities of any coin. Yeah. So to date, it have given me a lot of coins, and I have to consider this one. This one. So this one, the coin, I will mention the coin. The coin is DGB. So it says that I have to buy it around 0.011074, and I will sell it on ATX around 0.019362. For me to verify that it's cool and correct, I have to open my exchanges and compare, and after that I have to consider the four things that I've told you: calculation, basic analysis, and address check. When everything is done, then I'm cool to start my arbitrage. So let me go to my phone screen and let's start. Yeah, hello, hello. Yeah, so welcome to my phone screen. Yeah, so the both gave me where I have to buy and where I have to sell, and the coin was DJB. So I have to come to the platform and search DJB coin. There's it. So on this platform is 0.011. Yeah, accurate. Yeah. Then I'll go to my XTX or HTX and also search for the DJB and see whether there's opportunity over there. Yeah. So I've already told you that arbitrage is not something easy. There are rules in it. There are some things that you have to consider. If you see the opportunity, it's not just the opportunity. There are some things that you have to do first. That's why I said that you can't just do it without mentorship, without someone guiding you. But if you can also do it manually or staff is cool. You see, this one I use a boat, and the boat is sorting everything for me. Yeah. So the bot will give me the coins, and all I have to do is just go to the platform and search for the coins and do my checks and everything. So I've logged in successfully. Let me do it. So over here too, I have to search DGB. Then I have to search. So here too, yeah. So it means that it's accurate. Yeah. So this one over here is 0.95. So it's around 93, around 95. Yeah. 95. Yeah. So it means that I can buy the coin over here and come and sell it over here. But before you do it, I've already told that there are certain things that you have to consider. First of all, is the calculation, the address analysis, the basic analysis, and the address check. If you know all these things, you're good to go. And these things, to that one, I will not be able to teach it on the screen. No, mine is how you can set the coins, because people are saying that, oh bro, no, there are no opportunities. That's what I'm saying. I'm doing this thing. Yeah. So you, when you set the coins, then here I have to buy the coin over here and sell the coin here. So as a beginner, I have to start from scratch. So as a beginner, I have a link of my Bybit in my description. If you log in, you do your registration and verification, it will take you over here. Then before you start, first of all, you have to buy USDT, because we are dealing with USDT. Yeah. So we have BTC and stuff, but we are using USDT. So you come to your mall here. more here as a beginner. This one's as a beginner. Then you come to your P2P. Then you buy your USDT. So I'm in Ghana right now. So if I want to get one USDT, I have to spend 13.48 Ghana cedis to get one USDT. So if I click here and say I want to buy 1,000 Ghana cedis worth of USDT, 1,000 Ghana cedis, so it means that I'll be getting 74.184. So after you do your purchase of the BTC, then you have to buy the coin, because here is the cheapest rate, and you sell it at a higher rate on ATX. So you just have to search here and click on DGB, or you search for DGB. Yeah, DGB. Then you come to buy. So when it comes to buy here, you see that we have limits, we have price, we have quantity and stuff. Yeah, don't put it in markets. No, don't do that. Put it in the limit order. Yeah. Then after that, you come here and you put the USDT that you have. Let's say 79. So it means that if I'm spending 79 USDT, I'll be able to get 7169. But before you do this thing, let me show you one thing first. This one I'm doing for free, so you have to subscribe. Yeah. So when you buy a coin, the coin will be in the founding, or if you're using Bybit, it will be in the unified trading account. So you just have to go to transfer and transfer the coin from the unified trading account to like it will be in the founding account. So you have to just transfer it from the founding account to unified trading account. If it's in the founding account, you can't use it to buy coins on the spot exchange. So unless you transfer it to the founding, to the unified account, unified wallet. Yeah. So after transferring to the unified wallet, the available balance will be here. Then you enter the amount you want to buy. Then you click on buy. So when you click on buy, finish, and you bought the coin, then you come here and you come to withdraw. So the withdraw, you just have to withdraw. You just DJB. This is DGB. This is it. Then you go to the platform. So it's use DGB fee, DGB address. So the address, the fee is 0.00. So it's free. Like transferring the money from here to that place to ATX is free, because when I check the DGB chain, is 0.00, because the fee is 0.2 DGB. So that one is not worth it. Like it's not all that expensive. Is that thing? It's not all that expensive. It's 0.2 DGB, and 0.2 DGB is not even equivalent to 0.1 USDT. So that means zero fee. You see? Yeah. So before you transfer the money from the DGB from here to ACS, you have to do the analysis. You have to do the calculations, the address check and stuff. Yeah. So if you check everything, do analysis and check everything, and you are able to swap the coin, then you buy. You come here and you set the coin over here. You come here and you set the coin on XTX. Yeah, you set the coin on XTX. Just simple as that. Yeah, but I've already told you that before you start a trade, please, arbitrage is not just simple like how I'm doing it. There are things involved. So don't just think that, oh, I'll buy it here, I'll go and sell it here, that's all. No, there are a lot of things involved. I hope you understand. There are a lot of things involved. So don't think that you just buy it over here and you send it over there and you sell it. It's not just like that. There are things that you have to consider before you enter trade. It's not that, or you end up losing money. That is why people have been doing arbitrage and they have been losing money, because they don't know the fundamentals. They don't know the basic analysis. They don't know all these things. All they know that is you buy it from here and you send it from here if there's opportunity. No. At times you can copy address and then you copy the wrong address. At times to like you see that they are all the same, like they are all the same, but we have a way of what like buying it. We have a way of what exchanging the addresses. So if you don't know all these things, you will see that like arbitrage is not helping you. Arbitrage is not helping you make money. There are a lot involved. That is why I say that you always need someone who's profitable trader to guide you. Even it's not me, just find someone, or you end up losing money like that. You end up losing money like that. Is that thing? Yeah, just find some those like this one, like that you have seen right now, and I've done video about it. There are certain things that I will not mention in my videos. That one is true. I've already told you that most of these like mentors and influencers will not tell you all these things because it's our secret and we only give to our students. That one is true. Yeah. So when you see the opportunities, and one thing about arbitrage that's very difficult is by you searching for the coins. You see that thing. You search for the coins is very difficult. So if you are able to get a boat that can search the coins for you, then you are all what you are okay to go. Because like the boat will do all this thing, buy it from here and sell it over here. And so all you have to do is what? Just follow the rules, follow the analysis, and check the address and do your basic address check, do your calculations and see if it's profitable and stuff before you venture into the trade, or you end up losing money, or you end up not getting profits. So there are things involved. So don't just say that, oh, I've seen opportunity, so I have to do it, I have to do that. Don't just say it like that. Is it right thing? Don't just say it like that. Yeah. So this boat is helping me a lot. This boat gives me where I have to buy it, where I have to sell it without any stress. And I have to what? Do my 3 steps. After the 3 steps, I will initiate the trade and I'm done with it. Yeah. So this is how it is. So this is how we do it. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And I'm Crypto Lord. And if you want my mentorship, my link is in my bio. My link is in the description as well. I will not be a first person to chat to. So people who people are imitating me, people are like using my name to scam people. They will chat to you and be like, they will guide you. I'm not that person. I will not chat to you first, no matter who you are. I'll not chat to you first. Yeah. So put this one in your mind. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And this is how you do your arbitrage. This one is unlimited, so you can do it as many as you want, and you can see that the profit rate is very huge because from 0.011 and 0.019 is very cool. Yeah. So that's how it is. Thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.